So we're camping in the Peak District today, and although it's sunny, it's going to get down to freezing tonight. So here's a budget map for you if you're interested. It's -26 Celsius rating, 520 grams, £88. So I think
specs look good, so it's just testing it and kind of seeing how it works out, really.
Yeah, this is the maiden voyage, so it's the Flextail
Yeah, so this is it.
thingamabobs.
It's still in original packaging, not something you often do, but there you go.
So they do 4 different sizes of this. They've got 2 lengths in the mummy and 2 lengths in the rectangle thing. So all the same rating, all -26, and wow.
We've opted for the, well, this one's the mummy. It's one of the smaller sizes, just because obviously I don't need the length, and just might as well have a small pack size if I can.
She does need the length, and it is a big pack size. Right, let's pump it up and have a look. Let's make some noise. We've got some other campers down the bottom of the woods, and they don't know we're here yet, so they will in a minute. Yeah. So you'll notice this isn't the stealthiest of mats.
No, fluorescent orange.
It's really orange, isn't it? Wow. That is one orange mat.
It is.
There we go. That's not the R rating, it's an R6 rating, but yeah, very orange. So in the pack you get the bag, obviously. You get a couple of repair thingamabobs, 3M, sticky, and then the mat itself with the strap on it.
What is interesting about this mat is that it has got like thermal inside it, but what is actually just in the middle section, so your 2 outer ones don't have any sort of thermal insulation in, which is kind of unusual for a mat. It's a weird
choice, and I've noticed they're bigger, so it stops you rolling off as much. So yeah, the only bit is insulated is that bit there.
Just this middle bit, yeah.
Yeah, well, we'll see how that works out. So just about to pump the other size up now. Now we're on 2 different mats tonight, although we've bought both. I'm going to use an X-Ped for half the night, and Zoe is, just to compare, because we know that's a quality mat that we've slept on top of ice. I think it's -17 rated, and it's a warm mat and it's reliable. So just going to do a bit of a comparison to see how they fare against something that
we already know is
it's just something to set the standard by. Right, so here's the 2 different lengths.
Not a huge amount in it, really.
No, I mean, I'll put the sizes up on the screen now, so if you want to pause it and have a look. But
so slight difference in weight. This one's 520 and this one's 560, so not much.
Oh man, that means I've got to carry more weight as usual. Yeah, that's not bad though, really, for the temperature rating.
Right.
So what we'll do is we'll spend a night each. So Zoe starts off on this one, and we swap in the night, swap in the night, and then we'll let you know the verdict in the morning between the 2 mats. Sort of similar sort of temperature rating, although the Flextail does go lower. But yeah, we'll see how we get on, and yeah, I'll let you know in the morning. Right, so we've just got up. It's morning time. Bit of a chilly one last night. Thankfully that wind's dropped, but it still got down to -1. We swapped in the middle of the night. Well, Zoe did. Well, say middle of the night. It was about 20 to 12, and she thought it was like 4 in the morning or something. But it was. Right, I'll go first. I was probably more comfier on this because it's a thicker mat, and I was plenty warm enough. Once I felt a little bit of cold this morning just before I got up on the edge panel. But I don't know if that was just because my sleeping bag was undone. I was certainly warm enough during the night, and very comfy, and if anything I slid less because we're on a bit of a slope. I slid less on the Flextail mat than what I did on the X-Ped. What about you?
I had the same experience. I actually felt like it was really comfortable, like really seriously comfortable, and I also slid down a lot less on the Flextail than I do on my X-Ped, because we are on a slight slope today, as you saw earlier. Yeah, it's a really nice mat. I really like it for comfort.
The only thing I've just noticed is it's flatter than what it was when we pumped it up. I mean, I certainly wasn't touching the floor, and I only noticed this when I've just gone like, it's not gone down or anything like that. But,
no, but we're pretty sure we pumped it up more than that. Yeah.
So
confusing.
Yeah, we might have to revisit that and see. I don't know. I don't know if it's because of the temperatures. I don't know, because the X-Ped's still solid.
Still solid, yeah.
So I think what we'll do, we're going to pump them both up at home, leave them with something heavy on them for 24 hours, and then come back to it and see, and then probably just finish this review off there, do you think?
Yeah, I think it'd be a good idea to just test it.
Yeah, at home, so we'll do that now. Well, not now, but and come back to you now. So we're on the beach, and this is literally weeks and weeks later, and we've used these mats absolutely loads. We wanted to give them a real good fair test because we wasn't sure if it was the contraction of air or whether one of them had a leak, but they've been absolutely fantastic. We've been using it probably 6-7 times since the last scene, and they've been spot on, so I can't fault them.
No,
really.
They're super comfortable, really comfortable, easy to put up. Yeah, lightweight for carrying up mountains and stuff.
So it's 7 in the morning, so if I look a bit rough I do apologise, but just wanted to, you know, give them a real good proper test and finish this review off. So yeah, I would recommend them, and whether they'll last 2, 3, 4 years, I hope they do, but you never know, do you? I can't really comment on that. But yeah, mega comfy and mega warm. I think we're going to use these most of the summer actually, because they're really light as well.
Yeah,
So
they're a good mat.
yeah, that's the Flextail R05 insulated camping mats. Yeah, check them out. You will need a pump with them though, because they don't come with a stuff sacky pump, so just bear that in mind. We just use that little thing there. Noisy, but saves pumpy, I suppose. Right, anyway, see ya.